Hi, I'm here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm here to show you these cute little coasters. They make great gifts. They'll be a great way to use up. If you've made my Over the Rainbow quilt from my book Crumb Quilts, the leftovers from that's what I used to do this. It's also a great way to use a little bit of leftover batting. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make our easy fabric coaster, we're going to want our AccuQuilt die. This is the circle, has the 2, 3, and 5 inch. And I'm using the 5 inch. You can use a print that you like. You could use crumb fabric. These are left over from my Over the Rainbow crumb quilt. And so I'm just using these. They were the excess that was cut off the back. Then we're going to take a print that we want to put on the back. We're going to put it right sides together. We're going to take leftover batting. So this is a great way to use up just scraps of batting. And then put that on. Then the cover on my Go. And I'm just going to send this through my AccuQuilt Go. Slide that off. We'll have all 3 layers here. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to stitch a 1/4 inch, and I'm going to leave a gap about 1 inch. So I'm going to stitch, 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 leave a gap. So as you can see, I left about 1 inch gap there. And then we're just going to turn this inside out. It'll look like this. We're going to take our tool, just go around the edge here and get a nice stiff edge. And I'm going to turn my opening in, tie a knot in some thread. I like to start back before the stitching, and we're just going to blind stitch this. So I'm just going like a 1/4 inch or so, and then coming up and just catching a thread so I can fill up this hole that we left. Once you get that opening closed, we're just going to take it in between our layers, kind of pop it through. I'm going to tie a knot, and then we can just pop that knot through, trim our thread, and we can take this and practice our free motion quilting. You can do something very basic or get more carried away, whatever you want to try. And that will make your easy fabric coaster. Just mix and repeat. Have fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.